How do I format a USB drive on a PC that was formatted on a Mac? I have a SanDisk Cruiser drive that was formatted for a Mac and now I want to use it for a PC, and I don't have access to the Mac. What can I do?
Assuming Vista or 7, this should work on XP, 8, 8.1, and 10 as well, and that the disk is not showing up on my computer at all. Connect your disk. Run CMD as an administrator. Run diskpart.exe. Use ? If you need help in this program. List disk. Find the disk that corresponds to your USB disk. Select disk N, where N is the number of the disk. Confirm that you're using the right disk width, detail disk. Clean warning, this command erases the disk's partition information. Any data on the disk will no longer be accessible. Create partition primary. No size is needed if you want to use the whole disk. Active. Optional. Marks the partition as potentially bootable. Format FS equals FAT32 quick. You can choose NTFS or exFAT instead of FAT32 if you want. Note, Windows 10 limits FAT32 to 4 GB. I recommend using exFAT instead, which is essentially a newer version of the same format. Assign. Assigns the disk a drive letter. Exit to quit. If you're still having problems with the disk after trying this, you might try omitting the quick from step 9 to do a full format. That will take a very long time and usually isn't necessary, but may help uncover physical damage to the disk. In some cases you might need to reinitialize the disk. As above, this will destroy the data on the disk, or, rather, your ability to access it. To do that from diskpart.exe. List disk. Select disk N. Attributes disk clear read-only. This command will unset the read-only flag on the disk. You can see the current attributes with attributes disk or detail disk. Online disk. Sets the device status to online if it's been disabled. Convert MBR. Converts the disk to MBR format, which will work just fine for most disks. If you've got a USB disk larger than 2 TB, however, you'll want to use Convert GPT instead. I'm not sure if the above commands are all identical on older OS XP.
Trying the other top answer, I received a Windows was unable to complete the format error. So for anyone getting the same, I found another solution. Right-click on my computer and select Manage. Under Storage, select Disk Management. In the lower right-hand window, you should see the drive you're trying to format. Right-click on the volume and select the Simple Volume Wizard. Pick the format there and the wizard formats the disk without errors.
On Windows 7, right-click My Computer, Manage Disk Management, under Storage. Identify your disk in the list, then right-click on the volume and choose Format, then choose your preferred file system. I had to delete previous volumes on that disk before I could do it. Note that all data will be lost, so make sure you have backup, or that you don't need it.
Plug it into the PC. When it shows up under my computer, right-click on it and choose Format.